What's up, gamers? And today we're gonna play Pistol Gun 3D. Sorry about my voice. I listened to a match for some reason. Oh my god, I have a sore voice. I'll be so proud if you like this video and subscribe for me. And yeah. So let's get started. Okay, new map. Secret base. It's called Secret Base. Everyone there. What team am I?
I'm blue.
Thank you. Take cover. Take cover. What are you doing? Ooh. No.
You right.
Sorry, that's my sister. Don't talk. So yeah, we got 1 minute left at the timer, and they're winning. No. No. Oh, no. God, you're shooting me bad. You're shooting me bad. Get out of here. I'm not a baby. How? Ooh, I saw someone. Come out. Come out. Sore voice. Sorry, guys. So God. Is it me? Just me? Yeah. I'm gonna throw a bomb in there. Throw it a bomb. No, I missed. Oh! When I was trying to throw a bomb, I hit the person. No. That's it for the video. Peace!